And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the figure element. It's another simple tag. It's simply used the container element for images, illustrations, photos, stuff like this. We need opening and closing. Nothing is going to happen in the browser. So inside we put the image, and I just have a simple example in my folder for this tutorial website. So it's an IMG folder for images. So I just need the source right here. And inside I've got two examples. Let me use example.jpg. So now we have it right here. The figure itself doesn't change much in the browser. So if I just add the image without figure, it would look the same. But it's a good idea to add it anyway for screen readers, search engines, stuff like this. And usually you also have a fig caption. So this adds a caption to the image. It's nested inside of the figure and usually below the IMG. And inside you can put some text to explain the image and give it a caption. And this is how you can use the figure element in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.